welcome everyone to the week ahead commodity report. First of all, I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas, and of course I'm wishing you a great 2020. So if you're watching this video a little bit later on in the week, happy new year. So what a year it's been. The best performing year for gold since 2010, up over 17% so far in 2019. Now many of you have been in touch following on from the breakout that we saw on gold in the latest week, which is of course exactly what we were anticipating during this period, which was not to take your eye off the ball. Keep a very close eye on gold, on silver and platinum and palladium over this Christmas and festive period, and it's been an incredible move. So gold has banked us over 2,400 points over 8 positions in the latest week. We also remain in 3 positions on silver. We banked 500 points on palladium. We're up over 140 points on silver, and we've also managed to capitalize on this breakout with platinum as well, with a move of over 300 points to the upside. So I do hope many of you have really been able to maximize on this period. And as we mentioned, many traders were getting a little bit too bearish on gold. They were waiting a little bit too long in order to get back into gold, just really waiting for larger corrections. And we didn't believe that that was going to happen, that you didn't want to take your eye off the ball. And in fact, what we've seen here is a break above 1,500, breaking out to 1,515 US dollars per ounce after finding support at 1,470 to 1,478 US dollars per ounce. And we've of course maximized it over this period. So it's just been fantastic. And again, many of you have been in touch on the comments, on feedback on YouTube as well, that you've really been able to capitalize over this period. So as we head into next week, of course, we do have non-farm payrolls on Friday, and Tuesday is going to be the 31st of December, the last trading day of the year. So what you want to do is make sure that you're aware of this from a profit-taking point of view. So if you've really been able to maximize on these moves in the latest week, just be aware that next week we can see a bit of a consolidation. A lot of traders will start to FOMO into gold now that it's broken above 15.15. It hit that level last week. Now traders, they see the move and they start to get in a bit late. I am expecting more upside on the metals over January and February, but you want to really time your entries really well. And of course, what we've seen in the latest week is just that phenomenal breakout to the upside. Go over to the weekly charts. It's exactly what we discussed. Pressure building for a breakout. We've managed to fill the neckline on gold, on silver, and go back to last week's week ahead commodity report as well, and you'll see where we discussed this in a lot of detail. So what we're looking at as we go into next week, we're still holding positions on silver, on gold, on platinum and palladium. We're looking to manage these throughout next week. There's still going to be thinner volumes in the market, but what you want to do is start to plan your 2020, especially trades going into next quarter, the month of January and February, which typically are stellar months for the precious metals. So what I would encourage you to do, if you really want to learn a research-driven approach to the market, and you may have been just using outdated technical analysis strategies that just don't work in today's market conditions. If you're doing a review of 2019 and you really want to get an additional edge in your trading moving into 2020, well, you can join us at the Gold and Silver Club, join a community of successful traders. There is a link just below the description in today's video where you can make an application to join us at the Gold and Silver Club. And of course, members get access to our real-time trade alerts. You also get access to real-time trading research, as well as access to our private members academy, and of course, one-to-one mentoring and coaching. So with that, if you would like to make 2020 a fantastic year, just go to the link in the description, go to www.jointhelivetradingroom.com, and of course, do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you're always kept updated with all of the latest commodity reports. And of course, I do wish you a happy new year. We're here at the moment in Rio in Copacabana Beach, so I hope you really have a fantastic one. And as always, good trading.